In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change app theme in ClickUp. If your workspace feels too bright, too dark, or just not you, updating the theme is a quick way to make ClickUp more comfortable and easier to use. I'll guide you through it and share helpful pointers so your setup looks great and supports your focus. First, open ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and sign in. Once you're in, look toward the edge of the screen for your profile icon. It's typically in a corner and might show your photo or your initials. Click that icon to open your personal menu. From that menu, choose Themes. This is where you control the overall look and feel. You'll usually see options for light, dark, or matching your system setting. Pick the one that feels best for your environment. If you work late or in dim rooms, dark or system can reduce glare and eye strain. If you're in a bright office, light mode often keeps content sharp and legible. Next, explore accent colors. This setting adjusts the highlights you see on buttons, links, and status chips throughout ClickUp. Choose a color with strong contrast against your primary mode, so text and icons stay easy to read. Many teams match this to a brand color, but clarity should come first. Go with what helps you scan information quickly. You may also see additional visual controls like sidebar appearance, background options, or high contrast toggles. These let you fine-tune spacing and visibility. If you like dense views for maximum information on one screen, pick a compact style. If your eyes prefer breathing room, a more spacious layout can make longer lists and dashboards easier to navigate. For accessibility, a high contrast option where available can strengthen borders and text for better readability. As you make selections, ClickUp typically previews changes instantly, so you can see the impact in your task views, docs, and dashboards. If something doesn't feel right, just switch to another option. Nothing breaks, and you can always revert. Most theme choices save automatically and apply only to your account, not your entire workspace. Once you're happy, close the menu and continue working. Your theme will carry across pages and future sessions for a consistent experience. If your environment changes, like moving from daytime to nighttime, return to themes anytime and update it in a few clicks. And if you don't see certain options, your workspace may have admin-controlled settings. That's it. Open ClickUp, click your profile icon, select themes, and customize to your preference. Enjoy your refreshed, comfortable workspace.